The next option to check in the file menu is email. This option is used to email your Google Sheets to a specific email ID. What we need to do is click on email this file. A new pop-up box will open up where you need to send those files to. So if I send it to myself, it will send it to my email ID, that is iScanAnalyze, or you can type in the email ID that you want this file to be sent to. So right now I'll just type in my email ID, iScanAnalyze.com, and subject copy of Google Sheet. Which format I want this file to be sent on the email. Yeah, you can see email.com. That's good. So I want it to be sent in a PDF format. So let's say I am sending this file to my email ID. I click on send, and you will see this entire file is been sent to my email ID, which we can review here. So I'm checking whether the file has come or not. So let me refresh it. Here it is. So you can see I have got this email with my message, my subject line, as well as the PDF file of the entire Google Sheet that we have sent through email. Now let's understand the other option that we have. It's file, click on download, Microsoft Excel. There are various options that are available to download your file. So you can download it as Microsoft Excel, or an ODS file, which is an open office file, or a PDF, web page, CSV file, or a tab separated values. So suppose I want to download it as an Excel. So I click on Microsoft Excel. Yeah. Now I can see in my downloads folder the file has been downloaded as an Excel file. Looks good. Same way, we can download the other files which are available. We can download it as web page, PDF. We have seen PDF option as well earlier, comma separated file. So these are the ways in which you can download your file.